Alright, so in this video we're looking at the third test of similarity. That is the SSS test of similarity. You'll hear some construction in the background. I'm just doing it in the middle of Nudgee during big construction season, so that's why you're hearing all of that. Okay, so let's just talk straight about the SSS test. If we can match up the sides of one triangle with the sides of the other so that the ratio of matching lengths is constant, then the triangles are similar. That means that if we can come up with three pairs, so a side, a side, a side, a side, and a side and a side, where the ratios are constant, then we'll have similar triangles. So let's just look at this example so you can sort of see what I'm talking about. We have two triangles. We have a triangle ACB, and we have a triangle CDB. Now I've just drawn them separately because I just think that's going to make it easier to sort of see them. You don't have to draw them so that they look exactly the same. Now that's got a length AB of 8, 4, and 6. Okay, so you can see what I've done. I've taken this triangle and I've just redrawn the whole thing there. Okay, so 8, 4, and 6. And then we have this other triangle, CBD, and we can rewrite that as 4, 3, 2. Now, if you're going to use the side-side-side test of similarity, the next thing you want to do is write the sides in order of size. So you can see this is the biggest triangle, this is the second biggest triangle, and this is the this is the second biggest triangle, and this is the third biggest triangle. I'll just get rid of them. And then match them up with this other triangle. Biggest, second biggest, third biggest. And now we're going to find the ratios for each of those. So I'm going to do AB, that's the longest side, divided by CB, that's the longest side there. And that's going to equal 8 over 4, which equals 2. Now I'll test our second one. That's our second biggest. So I'm going to test AC over our second biggest on this triangle, BD. And that's going to be AC, which is 6, over BD, which is 3, and that's going to be 2. And one more to try, the smallest one, BC over CD is equal to 4 over 2, so BC's 4, CD's 2, that's equal to 2. Now that we've done all of that maths, we can say that AB over CD equals AC over BD, which equals BC over CD, which equals 2. And we can finish it off by saying, therefore, whoops, what happened then? Therefore, I'll finish it off over here. Therefore, those two triangles are going to be similar. I'll write the names of the triangles in a second. So that the ACB triangle and the CBD triangle are similar because of SSS. Now just be careful that you write them in the order that they should be. Here's our biggest side, our second biggest side, and our smallest side. So I'm going to write this triangle as BAC. So triangle BAC. And then when you write this one, you want to do the same thing. So here's my biggest side, second biggest, smallest. So this one's going to be called triangle CBD. You need to be really aware that if you write them in the wrong order, you're going to be telling a lie. So if I said that this was triangle ABC and it was similar to CBD, I'd be telling a lie because they're not in the right order. So I went biggest side, medium, small, biggest side, medium, small, which goes BAC, CBD. Okay, so that's how I came up with how it's going to be similar. That's the SSS test of similarity. Find your three ratios If they're all the same, you can write this nice little thing here, which tells you that they're all the same, they're all equal to 2, and therefore the two triangles are similar because of SSS. That's it. In our next video, we'll look at the last test of similarity.